Welcome to the tutorial. After successfully installing MySQL, let's now learn some of the basic queries in MySQL. So open the MySQL command prompt, enter your password, let's check out the available databases. So use command show databases. So we have these four databases here: Manager, MySQL, Test and Information Schema. Suppose we are using MySQL database. Let's now learn some of the basic queries like create command, show command, describe command, selecting command, and others like order by clause, having clause. Okay, now let's create an employee database. So use the command create table, employee, attributes are SSN, which is of type int, not null, salary, again int, name, which is of character type, so use varchar, department, it's again varchar, here let's set SSN as a primary key of SSN. So we have now employee data table. Let's insert values now. Insert into employee values, say 100 is the SSN, 10,000 is the salary, don't forget to write the names, characters in quotes. So Sneha is the character, department I would say finance. Okay, let's insert more values. So insert into employee table values, say 200 is a SSN, 20,000 is a salary, shall is the name of the person, say HR as the department. Query. Okay, so in order to repeat the query, use the above arrow. Just change the attributes, change SSN, changing the salary, changing the attributes. Query. Okay, so the last value, okay, so let's check out our employee table. So in order to display the table, use select star from employee. Let's see if the values are inserted correctly. Perfect. Suppose we have to count how many members are working in each department. We should use select department, count star as number from employee, group by department, order by number. When we say DSC, it comes in descending order. Perfect. So we get under HR department we have 2 employees working, and again in finance department we have 2 employees working. Let's run more queries. Suppose we say describe employee. This describes the entire employee table. Suppose we use the command show create table. Employee. This shows the entire employee table. Let's run more queries. Suppose we want to display the name and SSN of employee by ordering the SSN in descending order. We can use order by clause. Let's see how it goes. Select name, SSN from employee, order by SSN, use descending order, limit 2. This would limit the output to 2. So we would get Jack and John and the SSN as 400 and 300 as the answer. Okay, let's update now. Suppose, let's see what to update. So quickly select the table, select star from employee, okay, let's update John's value now. Let's update John's salary from 30,000 to 60,000. Okay, so update, use the command update employee set salary is equal to 60,000, where we have to use a primary key. Here John's primary key is 300, so where SSN is equal to 300. So now if we select and display employee table, we can see that John's salary is set to 60,000. So that worked perfectly. Let's delete some of the values now. So let's delete Jack's data. So in order to do that, type delete from employee, where name is equal to Jack. Query is okay. So select the employee table. Let's display and see what is the query. Wow, so we don't have Jack's value anymore. It's deleted. In order to drop the table, use the command drop table employee. Query is okay. Suppose, let's check if drop is worked or not. So let's select star from employee. There is an error because employee table is already dropped, so we can no longer open it. So in order to come out of Mysql, use exit. That completes our tutorial.